Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into an intriguing AIME problem that's sure to get your math gears turning. Don't forget to check the description for helpful details and resources. We are tasked to find the number of paths of length 16 that follow the grid lines, moving from the bottom left corner to the top right corner of an 8x8 grid. These paths must change direction exactly 4 times. Let's understand the steps involved in solving this problem. Let's consider the first case where we start moving to the right. The first step is to break the grid movements into segments. We denote the segments of rightward movement as x1, x2, and x3, and the segments of upward movement as y1 and y2. From the constraints of the grid, we know that the sum of x1, x2, and x3 equals 8, and similarly, the sum of y1 and y2 also equals 8. This forms the basis of our calculation. Here, we apply the stars and bars to determine the number of ways to distribute the segments. The formula for this calculation is given as denoted as binomial n-1 choose k-1. The theorem tells us that the number of ways to split 8 units into 3 positive integer parts is given by the combination 7 choose 2. For the upward movements, splitting 8 into 2 parts is given by 7 choose 1. Substituting our values, we compute that 7 choose 2 is 21, and 7 choose 1 is 7. Multiplying these, we find that there are 147 paths in this case. In the second case, we start moving upward. The setup changes slightly. The rightward segments are now divided into 2 parts, and the upward segments are divided into 3 parts. Using the same logic, the calculation involves the combination 7 choose 1 multiplied by 7 choose 2. Once again, this results in 147 paths. Finally, we combine the results from both cases. Adding 147 from case 1 and 147 from case 2, we arrive at the total number of paths, 294. This is the solution to our problem. Here's a challenge for you. A grasshopper wants to move from the bottom left corner to the top right corner of a grid. In each move, it can jump any distance to the right or any distance upward, landing only on grid points. Can you calculate how many ways this can be done? Think about it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're serious about excelling in competitions like the IMO, USAMO, USAJMO, AIME, AMC, and other math challenges, I invite you to explore my courses. In these courses, we focus on the key concepts and strategies needed to succeed, using insights from recent exams to give you an edge. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Until then, take care and keep solving.